Good afternoon, Mr. Mullen. It's Corky here. I'm at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you. You've inquired about the 2015 Tucson. This is, I think, our last remaining one, and it's the very stock number that you inquired about. So you may know a little bit about it, you may not. This one is a nice package. This is a GLS. This thing is quite roomy. Three people can sit across that back comfortably. Up in the front, the same. Two people can sit comfortably up here. Got a lot of controls, a lot of amenities here. You can access your Bluetooth here. You can also do your cruise control, and you see the radio controls as well. Got a USB auxiliary iPod hookup over there in the middle. It has a CD player. Nice equipment package. One thing we got here at Tameron Hyundai is something unique. We've got a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty on your powertrain. We also have 5-year, 60,000 on the comprehensive warranty. That's almost double the industry. Give me a call, Ed. Again, my name's Corky Hurt. I'm at Tameron Hyundai. You can call me direct at 337-8139. Reach me through your operator at 380-6250. Please give me a call and let's get this car in your driveway before it's gone.